Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. We're out at Yates at the shopping centre and I've just been and bought this in what is it, Blue Cross, the charity shop. It was actually £7.95, which is about 7 times as much as I like to spend. Oh, it's about half price compared to new, but obviously this isn't new. It's a kite, in case you haven't guessed. A helicopter kite. Now I do have a helicopter kite that is a real pain to fly. This one's different. The rotors, it doesn't have rotors, they're basically circular nylon. So really that bit's the kite, and then the rest of it's just decoration. It looks in good condition. I think there might be one nut missing, because at the bottom here that's got a screw thread on it, and that's where the landing gear goes. There's a hole there that would go into there, but I don't see a nut to go on the end of it, so don't know if it's windy enough to go and try it. There's probably enough wind to actually cause wind noise on the camera at the moment, but I don't think there's enough to actually fly this. So I thought I'd record this first, just in case we do get a bit of wind and I can go and try it. But I suspect it's going to have to sit in the back of the car, waiting for the right sort of weather. It's one of those Günther kites, which is a good make, but cost me far more money than I like to spend. We'll see. I'll put it back in the back of the car and we'll have a look. Well, I've put it together, and like I said, we are missing the bit that goes on the end there, which you need to hold that in place, otherwise it just falls off. I certainly wouldn't have wanted to pay £15 for it. I'll have to see if there's anything in the car I can use to temporarily clamp that in place. Maybe a load of rubber bands or something. Well, there we go. I just used some rubber bands just to hold it in place temporarily, so we can at least see what it looks like. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.